Hello everyone, you're welcome in Optimistic Student YouTube channel. In this part 2 session of UPSC 2021 NDA and CDS Air Force FCAT last 10 years of vocabulary. Let's start. First word is sporific. Soporific. Causing sleep or making a person want to sleep. नींद लाने वाला. Synonyms are drowsy, hypnotic, sleepy. Antonyms are energizing, reviving. Example is the professor's boring speech was soporific and had everyone in the audience yawning. It is 2011 vocabs. Next word, allegiance. Loyalty and support for a ruler, country group or belief. In Hindi you can say Nishtha. Synonyms are loyalty, fidelity. Antonyms are disloyalty or rebellion. Example, his allegiance to the party was suspected from the very beginning. Next word, salutary. Causing improvement of behavior or character. In Hindi you can say labdayak. Synonyms of salutary or benefic and benevolent. Antonyms are neglectful, bad. Example, sympathetic criticism has a salutary effect. Next word, evoked. To make someone remember something or feel an emotion. In Hindi it is taja karna. Synonyms are arouse or recall. Antonyms are allay and stifle. Example, the music evoked memories of her youth. Next word, flimsy. It is weak or difficult to believe that something is true. In Hindi you can say अविश्वसनीय. The synonyms of flimsy is inconvincing, inadequate. Antonyms are irrefragable or cogent. Example, he gave a flimsy excuse for his absence. Next word, indigent. It is poor or needy. In Hindi you can say daridra. Synonyms, impoverished or penniless. Antonyms of indigent is wealthy or rich. Example is, he was the court-appointed lawyer for 56 indigent defendants. Next word, abated. To become less strong. In Hindi it is kam hona. Synonyms are decrease or diminish, and antonyms is crescendo and inflate. Example, the boy said that pain had abated. Next word, implacable. It is used to describe strong opinions or feelings that are impossible to change. In Hindi it is Sangnadil. Synonyms of implacable are inexorable, ruthless. Antonyms are appeasable, placable. Example, he became known as an implacable foe of fundamentalism. Next word, insolent. Its meaning is showing a rude and arrogant lack of respect. In Hindi it is badtameez. Synonyms are impertinent, brazen. Antonyms are respectful. Example, the queen was aware of the insolent behavior of the lord. Next word, pragmatic. Of or relating to a practical point of view or practical consideration. In Hindi it is vyavharik. Synonyms are practical or sober, and antonyms is impractical. Example, modern man is pragmatic in his daily. Next word, gradient. A path sloping upward or downward. Example, the vehicle slowed down as they moved up the gradient. Synonyms of gradient are inclination or acclivity. Antonyms are decline or downgrade. Next word, it is deplorable. Deserving strong condemnation or completely unacceptable. Pariniyojan yogi in Hindi. Synonyms are wretched, odious. Antonyms are satisfactory or wonderful. Example, it is deplorable that millions of people in India are below the poverty line. Next word, proscribe. It is forbid, especially by law. In Hindi it is बहिष्कार करना. Synonyms are ban, prohibit, interdict. Antonyms are permit, sanction, enjoin. Example, the government should prescribe that sort of literature. Next word, it is dormant. It means temporarily inactive or inoperative. In Hindi it is niskriya. Synonyms are asleep or dozing. Antonyms are wakeful or vigilant. Example, the volcano on the island is dormant. Next word, equivocate. It means to speak in a way that is intentionally not clear and confusing to other people, especially to hide the truth. In Hindi it is गोलमाल बात कहना, गोलमोल बात कहना. Synonyms are hedge, prevaricate. Antonyms are confront. Example, the government have equivocated too often in the past. Next word, mendacious. Not telling the truth or lying. In Hindi it is mithya. Synonyms are dishonest, untruthful. Antonyms are faithful and honest. Example of mendacious is the newspaper reports were mendacious. Benediction. The utterance of a blessing, especially at the end of religious service, is called benediction. In Hindi it is Ashirvad. Synonyms of benediction is invocation, blessing. Antonyms are curse or malediction. Example, the priest pronounced benediction. Next word, innocuous. It means not intended or likely to a friend or upset anyone. In Hindi it is ahanikar. Synonyms are benign and harmless. Antonyms are adverse, baleful. Example, her habits are innocuous. Next word, invade. It means speak against in an impassioned manner. In Hindi it is घोर निंदा करना. Synonyms of invade are fulminate, vilify. Antonyms are flatter or compliment. Example, I invade her for her different outlook. Next word, befogged. It means incapable of clear thought or confused. Synonyms are confused, muddled. Antonyms are translucent and bright. Example of befogged is old age has befogged his mind. If you like this video, then please like and share. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant. And for PDF, you can join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant. And you can join the group from description link. Thank you so much everyone.